It's right there. Well, he flashes again. We'll take a look. Object right here. Not very fast, but this one's right above my head too. It's not very bright at the moment either. It's moving to the southwest. Well, that was quick, whatever the hell that was. That crossed right over the bottom. There it goes. Been catching a lot of meteorites lately. Every now and then you freeze one. It's not a meteorite. Surprise. Another jet coming out of the east heading to the west coast. Another jet. I can't tell if it's a trailer or not. I don't think it is. Another jet. Appears to be another small plane coming up. I shall have to take a closer look since he is almost flying overhead. Jeez. Small plane propeller. There he goes. Wow, he be turning. And he's trailing. Dude, you're a prop. You're not supposed to be trailing anything. What the hell? Hey, he left a little trail. Jeez. Well, let's hope it's not a murder plane. That's all I gotta say. Now, whatever that is still flashing. It just flashed again and I seen it. I don't know what the frequency is, but that's 2 times I've seen it. The other 9 I captured, or it looked like a little bitty bolt of lightning right here. There it is right there. It's not very bright. Probably because all those clouds in the way. Everything's hazed over. It is right there. Whatever that is. And here's Speedy Gonzales right here. He is moving on pretty good. Right over my head too. There he goes. He's going pretty fast. Here's another jet. Speedy here is heading off to the south. He's also getting brighter. He got a whole lot brighter. Now I'm literally filming upside down. How much brighter he is now. Another jet over the Gulf. And here goes another jet.